How's it going, YouTubers? So I got a little bit of a giveaway that I want to do. Recently I bought this machine and I shot a bunch of videos with it. Really, just to teach you guys how to use flex core wire. And I figured I'd pick this machine because it's affordable for your average person. You don't need like an $800 welder to go out and build stuff. So this is great because you can get them at any Harbor Freight. Well, anyways, I thought being Christmas and all, that I would actually give this away. And I know that sounds ridiculous, but I don't really need it. My shop is selling. It's been up for sale for like 8 months now. I didn't think it was going to happen, but I kind of got to move all my stuff out. So I'm not really going to have a place for it. I figured someone out there could use it. So the deal on this giveaway is pretty simple. I'm going to ask you guys out there, if you have like 15 welders or 3 welders and you don't really need something like this, or maybe you got money falling out of your pockets to where, you don't really need the help that I'm offering, don't put your name in a hat for this. Ideally, I just want this to go to a good home. I want it to go to someone who's going to use it. Maybe if you got a son or daughter, you can do some projects, someone who could really benefit by this. I want you to put your name in the comments that you want it. I'll pick someone. So I'm going to have this contest up for a couple, probably 2 weeks. I want to get it to the winner before Christmas so you have something. Keep in mind it will be slightly used, but I got the original box, everything. So not a big deal. I will be sending it out with the wire that's in it, which is a 2-pound spool. I'll send it with the Harbor Freight 2-pound spool and then the Lincoln. So you'll have plenty of wire. Beyond this, I will be giving away an artwork of mine. I'm going to make it in the next week or so. Not really sure what I'm going to make. It'll probably be a heart or something, but I'm going to give one of those away. And I'll give another pair of gloves away that I got laying around here somewhere. Brand new, of course, not used. But yeah, again, I just want to thank you for watching my videos. Hopefully they've helped. Feel free to give me comments for any other idea you want for a video. Oh, and before I forget, whoever wins this, I want you to take a picture or a short video of you using it, building something, and I'm going to upload it in a future video because I love welding. I love sharing stories and skills, and I want to see someone get some use out of it. So there you have it. I'll catch you guys around. Thanks.